All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday, January the 23rd. So yesterday I predicted level 10 difficulty. After a big move, typically you're going to get complex chop, and boy, did we get that yesterday. And in fact, our core strategy, in my opinion, I would put us at 0 for 0 trades yesterday. I did make a mistake yesterday in the fact that I traded the whole day. I was hoping for the move south. So when I left you yesterday, I left you about right here. And this was the strong range. And as you can tell, boy, did price like staying in there. We finally took out this parabolic 30-minute trend line, because remember, you can take out the trend lines one of two ways. Here's the other 30-minute or way down here. That's the primary. This is the parabolic. So we took that out yesterday. So you can take out a trend line by price and by time. And so it took it out a little by price and then lots of time. And so this parabolic level to me is gone. I don't need it. So when the day started, I had my eyeballs here because we had this London low, this Asia low, liquidity grab, pull back in, and then a liquidity grab of the morning low and a pull back in. This is the trade I'm most disappointed I missed, because this was a combination of two things: a liquidity grab here and then a bounce off of Friday's RTH high. And that was a mistake. I should have caught that, and that should have been my first sign. I shouldn't have been trying to trade all day just because I was probably getting tired, and I just didn't catch that in real time. So no big deal. I actually took a short on these blue candles here, got out at break even, no harm. Just yesterday what drained my mental battery. So today I will only trade the morning, and that will be it. I will be taking a break from the chart the entire rest of the day, so I will not be making posts in the afternoon most likely. I'm going to take a break today, which really stinks because Tuesday's really our best day of the week. If I want to try to trade all day, let's say, because I'm wanting a move to happen, Tuesday's the best day to do that, not Mondays. So I'm not real disappointed that I chose to do that. Tuesday has the most 5-point plus runners with our system. So where I kind of got faked out is we had an 8-point candle here. One of my traders did very nice on here. Congrats, Pappy. I was short here, I was short here, and I was short here, and I just couldn't hold on. So tiny to nothing day yesterday. It started out with the arrow pointing up. Trends are hard to break. Longer flat is the play until support is broken, and we haven't broken anything. All we did was grab liquidity and come back in. These are our break-in trades. And so, yeah. So I'm going to remove these eyeballs, because now my eyeballs, in all honesty, is going to be on yesterday's low. So now I'm going to adjust this to here, because we have yesterday's low. And let's come over for a second. So left a set of single prints up here, but barely. Now I would want to, well, looks like the London high matches the half back of yesterday. Let's zoom in here for a second. Yeah, look at that. Basically matching the half back. So I'm going to move this over to here. So what have we done? Let's zoom in here for a second. This is consolidation and acceptance above where it broke out. No question. This is consolidation and acceptance. Bulls are in control, obviously. Until it's obvious they're not. And I mean obvious, okay? So that's really important. Today we have one news driver. It's 30 minutes after opening. It's just an orange folder. Overnight was pure consolidation. Strong levels don't change. But this strong range here, whoa, this strong range right here has definitely done very well. Let's go check everyone out. So look at Russell, way up over yesterday's range. No one else is playing that game. So that's part of my analysis going in here today. Russell is still being really strong when it's been super weak. So the small caps are just rocking. Nothing changes about my analysis. I'm still looking, my eyeballs are going to be here. What do we do here? Is it another liquidity grab and pull back in? Or does this start at least coming and testing Friday's POC? This is the ideal level for bulls to hold. I gave this to you yesterday. My eyeballs will still be here. What do we get here? And then if we get here, do we flush to the first set of, to this set of single prints? I bet we do. But what do I know? And based off time here, we might end up testing this primary 30-minute trend line. So that will be interesting to tell. Now, what do we do above that? I have no clue. Whatever price wants to do. Now that we've experienced this huge consolidation, I told the group yesterday, I'm not really interested in longing this up here. I couldn't bring myself to do it. Casey, one of my members, took this long here and did well. I just couldn't do it. But now that we've spent all of this time in consolidation up here, let's do a time thing here. 1 day and 11 hours. Now I'm kind of okay with, if it wants to ladder up, going long, because this is acceptance above this move. Now, it'd be very, very healthy for this thing to come back and retest, and the bulls would still be in control. It's not till half back. Even till half back, bulls are strongly in control, and it would only be testing this 30-minute trend line. This would be no big deal. I would just like to be in it. And for me, the eyeballs are going to be right here. This is primarily where I'm looking, is yesterday's low, which also is basically Friday's high.
Stay green, my friends, and to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.